Lasfit releases a brand new stealth anti-theft automatic hood lock upgrade. Controlled wirelessly with the factory key. Comprehensive protection of your property. The newly designed emergency manual unlocking allows you to control it more freely. What's up everyone, welcome to Lasfit. We all love the Jeep Wrangler, except for one thing, it doesn't have a hood lock. Which means anyone can open your hood without your permission and take anything inside. The wiring harness, the cover, the battery, and even the engine. This hood lock for 18 to 23 Jeep Wrangler JL and Gladiator JT is 100% automatic. There are many solutions to lock the hood. You can replace the buckle, add a lock in the middle, and so on. If you lose the key, it will be troublesome. But this hood lock is specially designed for those who don't want to carry an extra key. As Jeeper, we already have too many keys, so keeping the factory keys is the best solution. Lasfit hood lock is stealth design and will not damage any part of your car. The lock head is controlled by an air pump. Simple and safe. The new generation adds a manual emergency handle and retains the emergency opening switch of the previous generation. This allows you to use the manual emergency handle to open the cover anytime you lose power. If you want to know more, please visit our website lasfit.com. The installation instruction video about the product is in the upper right corner. Please click the link to watch. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and leave your comment below. And send it to whoever you think needs it. Thank you for watching.